Let us go through the details related to keyword arguments. Keyword argument is same as passing argument by name. You can also specify parameter for varying keyword arguments with star star at the beginning. While passing arguments to satisfy the parameter with star star, you have to pass key as well as value. Varying keyword arguments can be processed as dict in the function body. Let us create this function called as add employee. You can see that we have two arguments, employee ID and degrees. So degrees is varying keyword arguments. So we can pass varying keyword arguments while invoking add employee function while passing degrees. So in this case, I am printing the length of degrees and type of degrees, and also I am printing the degrees itself. When I invoke this, you can see that length of degrees is 2 because we are passing two keyword arguments here for this star star degrees parameter, and you can see that type of degrees is dict, and this is the string representation of dict, which will be in curly braces with key and value pairs. You can also pass the varying keyword arguments like this. You can create a dict and then you can actually use star star before the dict, and this degrees will become a varying keyword argument for the parameter degrees, which is defined with star star at the beginning while defining the function add employee. Now let me run this and you should be able to see the details as expected. Now I am actually creating a function called as add employee with employee ID, phone numbers which will accept varying arguments, degrees which will accept varying keyword arguments. Let me create this function and then let me invoke this function add employee with the employee ID, then phone numbers which will satisfy the phone numbers here, and then these two keyword arguments which will satisfy this parameter called as degrees with star star at the beginning. So this is how you can actually use both those parameters which will accept varying arguments as well as varying keyword arguments.